Stewart. I've come from the UK. We only arrived yesterday. We booked this trip on TripAdvisor before we arrived here, so we weren't quite sure what to expect. And I have to say we've had a really lovely voyage. It's not raining, but the sun isn't shining. But it's very calm here. We've sailed in the bay. It is a sailing boat. We did get the sail up. The hospitality has been absolutely excellent. We have all nationalities on board, and it's been a great trip actually. It's been really lovely. We've seen the city from a completely different angle, and it's been really enjoyable. And I'd like to say thank you to the guys.
Thank you so much.